Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click the subscribe button, turn on the notifications, give me a huge thumbs up. Today we're going to be cutting open 2 squishies. So we've got this one we could be opening first, and this one my mum actually made, so I don't know what's inside, but let's find out. First I think my dad's one, but okay. First I'm gonna cut this part off, and this one actually just opens like that. Oh my goodness. I'll be back when I finish opening. Okay guys, I got this open, so I'm gonna take it off. And here's a squishy without the part. It's got fluff in that over it already, but let's cut it open. Where's a good place to cut it open? Let's just random. Let's see what's inside. Oh my! Might as well cut almost the whole thing open. I can't reuse it. Oh my goodness. That's what makes it kind of metallic-y stuff. I don't know what that is. Anyway, this is this. Oh, it's slime. And it feels kind of jiggly. Oh my goodness. I might be using this for other videos. Whoa. Satisfying and jiggly. And also really metallic. Oh. Okay, let's put that off to the side. Oh, and let's try to see what I'm gonna put in this. Hopefully it's not messy. Yeah, because I didn't bring a bowl or anything. And it's pretty hard though. What is that? What's in here? Ah, it's my kinetic sand. It's purple. I did not expect that happening. That is so cool. I love kinetic sand. Like this video if you want me to do more of these videos, of course. And hope you like these, and please subscribe, turn on the notifications like I said before, and hope you like it. Bye!